This time we're supposed to raise complex number expressed in polar form to power 1/3. Again, we are going to use this formula. So, what I'm supposed to do first, I'm supposed to find maximum value of k. K is equal p minus 1. So I have 3 minus 1 is equal 2. And answer the question, how many roots I'm going to have. Keep in mind that denominator of my fractional exponent is telling me how many roots I'm going to have. I'm going to have 3 roots. So I'm supposed to apply the following theorem. Okay, so I have 125 raised to power 1/3, and I have angle 1/3, open parenthesis, angle theta, which is equal 96 degrees, plus 360 degrees times k. But k at this moment is going to equal 0. Keep in mind the maximum value of k is 2. So I'm going to have roots, right? Calculating by using the following values of k: 0, 1, 2. Okay? So I have 125 to power 1/3 is equal 5. And I have angle 1/3 times negative 96 degrees, because 360 times 0 is 0. So I have equal 5, and 1/3 times negative 96 is equal negative 32. So I have negative 32 degrees. And this is the first root of my given number. Next, I'm supposed to find the second root. I have 5. I have to copy this part of my problems. I have 1/3, and I have negative 96 degrees plus 360 degrees, but instead of 0, I'm supposed to write value of 1. K at this moment is equal 1. So I have 5 and angle of 1/3, open parenthesis, negative 96 plus 360 degrees is equal 264 degrees. 264 degrees, which is equal 5 and angle 1/3 of 264 degrees is equal 88 degrees. And this is my second root of this complex number. Next, I'm supposed to find the third root. So I have 5, and again I have 1/3 negative 96 degrees plus 360 degrees, and this time my value of k is equal 2. Okay, so this is equal 5, and I have 1/3 negative 96 degrees plus 2 times 360 degrees is equal 624 degrees. 624 degrees, which is equal 5, and 1/3 times 624 degrees is equal 208 degrees. Okay, so one more time. Denominator is telling me how many roots I'm going to have. I'm going to have 3 roots, we said, right? And we've found 3 roots. 1, 2, 3. I found 3 roots. I have 3 solutions. So I can say that my problem is solved.